Hey, what's up, guys? So somebody commented on my video, do it sneeze challenge.
Huh?
So I'm gonna try. What?
Hey,
You wanna do it with me?
are you doing the sneeze challenge?
You wanna do it with me? You stick a Q-tip up your nose for 5 minutes and see if you sneeze.
Oh, that can ruin your smell.
It can?
I think so. That's why most people do it.
How does it ruin my smell?
Okay, I don't know. So someone just said that it wasn't good for you. So you can try it. Just don't stick it like so far up.
Yeah, I'm not
Let
gonna
me stick it up close.
Alright. 5 minutes starting in 3, 2, 1.
Do you have to like wiggle it around or you just do it?
I just leave it.
Push it up there, bro.
It is up. You said not to push it too far up, so I didn't. I feel like this is not gonna make me sneeze.
You're supposed to put it in both or just one?
I don't know.
I
The guy
don't
just
think
said put a Q-tip up your nose.
I don't think this guy was very specific here.
Alright, put it up a little bit.
Can I play this real quick? And see if I can make a goal?
Oh,
Try to see if I can make a goal.
hold up. Where's my controller? I'm just gonna play Rocket League through the 5 minutes.
Bruh. Guys, look, I did my nails.
Kenzie, you be careful. Freaking outfit. Mom's gonna be so mad. Alright, we got 3 minutes and 50 seconds left. I'm about to sneeze, bro. I'm gonna hold it in for the channel and for the guy that commented. I got you, bro. Cheers is for it, dummy. Oh, think of a name. What could the name be? It's not freaking girl. It's crap. I'm about to sneeze, so hold it in, Drew. That's not me. What? How is that not me? I'm about to sneeze. Oh, it's tickling my nose. Two minutes and 20 seconds left. That was a horrible setup for my Portugal. Alright, a minute and 40 seconds left. Go, 5-0. Oh, 1 minute left. I've been doing this for 5 minutes. No cup. I gotta finish. 20 seconds. Three, two, one. Alright guys, so I did it without sneezing. Pretty easy. Robert, comment on the video if I did that wrong. Because I don't know if you're supposed to put 2 in at once or whatever.
Also, guys, we are up for ideas. The next challenge that you guys give us, I will probably be participating in, but I was not about to participate in that one. But thank you to Robert. Shout out to you because you gave us the idea. So, yeah, guys, just give us ideas for what to do.
And if you guys have seen, if you click on my channel name and you see my video about XXX,
Like it.
Tentacion, hit the like button and comment RIP X, please.
And like every other video.
Well, I guarantee you half the people that can watch this aren't going to click on my videos. That's what I just said. Yeah. And also, guys, if you guys, if I were you, I would subscribe now, and you would be an OG channel, or you'd be an OG channel member. So that I know, put your name down in the comments if you are seeing this video. And when I become famous, if I do, I will give a shout out to everybody that put their name in the comments on this video.
So, like and subscribe.
Yep. Listen to her.
Goodbye, guys.
See ya.